So here's how to create a repository commit and push using GitHub. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your GitHub account. If you don't have already an account, you have to click on the sign up option to create an account. After creating an account, here you will be able to view this interface. Now to create a repository, you have to simply go to this option and then you have to enter your title first. After that, you have to select the repository security. Here I'm gonna keep it at public and then click on the create a repository option. Once I clicked on it, now our repository has been successfully created. On GitHub, repository is actually a folder where you can upload your documents, or you can simply upload your files here. Moving on, if you want to create a new file, you have to click on this link. After clicking onto this link, here you will be able to view this interface. Here you can enter your files that you want to upload to this repository. Here if I scroll to the top, as you can see, you will be able to view the option to name your file. To save your changes or the file in the folder, you have to first name it and then click on the commit changes option at the top right corner. On GitHub, you have to click on the commit change option to save any documents or any data. After clicking onto the commit changes option, now here you have to first enter your commit message and then you have to add the details or the description of this folder or the file. Then click on the save to save the changes. If you want to upload any document or media, here you have to simply click on your repository and then you have to click on the upload option. Then to upload your files, you have to click on the choose your files option. Now from your computer's gallery, you have to first select the images or the files that you want to upload and then click on the open. Once your folders or the data have been uploaded, now you have to click on the commit changes option at the bottom. So that's how to create a repository commit and push on GitHub.